Thank you, dear. First of all, introduce yourself and tell us what do you think about the current situation in North
Sir,
Pakistan?
it's me, Mr. Na'man Wazir, on the behalf of Class 9th, the punctual student of Alshams Public High School, Rezmk and Mirali.
First, tell us what do you think about the current situation in North Pakistan?
Sir, it makes me very sad because our beautiful Waziristán is full of fear and trouble now. Our schools are closed, no peace, no classes. We students are losing our dream. This problem are killing our future.
How has the situation affected your school life?
Sir, I hold worry in my hand instead of books. When we go to school, we are afraid. Sometimes there is protest, sometimes car fees, sometimes shooting. I want to say clearly, our mind is upset. I want to say clearly that this problem have destroyed our education, our learning and our future.
At the last, if you could send a message to the leaders, what you would say?
Sir, I am only a student, but I speak from my heart. I want to ask my leader, I want to study. We want peace and education. No guns, no fear. Please save our education. Give us our dream back.
Thank you so much.